That's not the sermon you can hear coming from St. Peter's.
Wrestling is all about the story of good and bad.
But that is the Reverend, not on the altar tonight, but in the ring. This is pro wrestling getting ready to rumble for this congregation in Shipley.
I thought, well, why not? Let's give it a go. It's a bit different. So you've got your quirkiness, but also it does attract people. Yeah! It's a new way in which we can try and reach people and tell stories about God.
Most of the wrestlers aren't Christian. Most of the people who come to the events aren't Christian. But that's what's so cool about it, is that this is people coming into church who normally would not come into church. How are we helping people turn their lives around? We've got to do something different.
May papakita po ako sa inyo. Actually, sinend lang to ni Kuya Joros. And I really believe our Lord Jesus will come back anytime soon. Kasi yung mga nangyayari ngayon, it's getting worse.
Most people in Netherlands are non-believers. Empty churches are turned into farms. And people finally come to enjoy life.
Wala na daw kasing nagpupunta sa mga simbahan. Wala nang nag-church. Kaya ang ginawa na lang sa simbahan yan, ginawang party-party, ginawang bar, tapos restaurant. Tapos nung ginawang ganon, nakita nyo, diba? Napuno yung mga tao, dumami yung mga tao bigla. Wala, grabe lang talaga. Kaya totoo talaga yung sa Matthew chapter 7, sinabi lang, diba? Broad, malawak. Broad is the way that leads to destruction, and its gate is wide, and many chooses that way. Narrow is the gate that leads to life, and only few ever find it.